to be, c'est, ye, to have, get, to want, vle, to need, besoin, to do, fait, to work, travail, to work, marcher, to see, where, to stand, camper, to wait, turn, to watch, garder, to wash, laver, to speak, parler, to talk, parler, to think, penser, to eat, manger, to drink, boire, to drive, conduire, to read, lire, to study, étudier, to go, aller, to stay, rester, to tell, raconter, to write, écrire, to sleep, dormir, to wake, réveiller, to know, konnen, to take, point, to come, venir, to become, devenir, to look, garder, to use, utiliser, to share, partager, to give, buy, to call, really, to start, commencer, to begin, commencer, to say, dire, to send, voyer, to sit, chita, to die, mourir, to cut, couper, to make, faire, to burn, brûler, to find, joindre, to buy, acheter, to arrive, arriver, to ask, demander, to try, essayer, to cry, to cry, crier, to help, aider, to kill, tuer, to build, construire, to destroy, détruire, to fall, tomber, to cook, faire manger, to follow, suivre, to stop, suspend, to create, créer, to allow, permettre, to add, ajouter, to spend, dépenser, to grow, grandir, to open, ouvrir, to close, fermer, to win, gagner, to offer, offrir, to remember, songer, to live, quitter, to let, quitter, to love, aimer, to hate, railler, to consider, considérer, to appear, paraître, to feel. Tablier sentir là, c'est leur sentir un bagay. Par exemple, I feel good. Ça veut dire, moi sentir bien. To put, mettez, to mean, signifie ou du moins vle dire. To meet, rencontrer. To seem, sembler. To turn, virer. To show, montrer. To hear, tendre. To move, bouger. To like, aimer. To believe, croire. To keep, kembe. To bring, porter. To pay, payer. To continue, continuer. To fight, gourmet. To forget, oublier. To live, vivre. To learn, apprendre. To happen, passer. To play, jouer. To hide, tâcher. To understand, comprendre. To lead, mener. To teach. To teach. Enseigner. To change. To change. Changer. To apologize. To apologize. Demander excuse. To warn. To warn. Courir. To laugh. To laugh. Rire. To dance. To dance. Danser. To get. To get. Obtenir. Li gen plusieurs définitions, mais mwen ba ou yon nan yo. To break. To break. Craser. To smoke. To smoke. Fumer. To smell. To smell. La senti ça c'est le yon bagay senti bon ou bien li capable gen yon mauvais sent, OK?